We are here with our split open doubles winners, Veronika and Lina. Congrats on your win and title. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I'm feeling happy. It was a great week in singles and doubles, and we finished with a title, so it's great.
Me too, I'm happy too, and playing with Veronika was really easy this week, so yeah, happy.
Great. What was your toughest match this week?
I think the second round,
Yeah.
we had 12-10 in match tiebreak. So
Yeah, first seeded.
But you survived. Since you won the title here, are you planning on playing together in the future?
Well, maybe, of course. I mean,
planning
if we play
still
like
no,
this,
but
sure.
yeah.
And we want to know how important is a good communication on and off the court in doubles.
We had a good laugh on the court, I think. So I think that's the key.
We are glad you had fun and we hope to see you next year again.
Thank you.
See
Me
you.
too.